Hello everyone, I'm Devin. Through video playing, we are going to demonstrate about iFactory end-to-end service. Before getting started, we need to have end-to-end service be ready. It includes end-to-end call help and iMobile service, which has been downloaded in your smartphone, end-to-end dashboard, a set of account and password to let you to log into iMobile service. At first, for end-to-end call help, this is a platform which provides production operation to report abnormal situations. This platform includes two services, call help and event list. Call help is a notification of abnormal situations. Event list is a service of tracking management. Then, please take out your smartphone. Press into iMobile service app. Please select Singapore and then log into the app with your account and password. After entering, you can see two shortcuts at home page, which is end-to-end job dispatch and job report. On the right-hand side of home button, you can see the function of notifications. If there is an abnormal situation happens, a manager of emergency team will get the notifications. Besides, through job dispatch, you can know the situations and dispatch key members to deal with. The members will receive the notice from notification and can report the status by job report. Please look at dashboard. Monitoring Center dashboard is related data of showing real-time event management. Firstly, you can adjust refresh time to 3 seconds, which can make the page updated in time. Then, I will demonstrate how to use call help to report abnormal situations from production side. The handlers can receive notification and job dispatch through iMobile service to check abnormal events. And so do supervisor of production lines. They can also check on dashboard at the same time. First, please press Call Supervisor. At the same time, the handler will receive notification. Please open it and you can check related information about abnormal situations. From the job dispatch, you can check status and display the key person to deal with. Through dashboard, you can check abnormal information, location, and related message as well. After problem has been solved, you can find event complete or cancel from event list on site. After completing the mission, you can see the red light of touch panel on the dashboard becomes normal. To proceeding code repair at second time, you can choose abnormal location. Select station 1 and then submit. From dashboard, the factory map can observe the abnormal situation from stations. At that time, a supervisor can dispatch event to themselves through job dispatch. Using IFP demo 05 to log in, and choose IFPSDM file to dispatch to yourself. Press Submit. And back to home page, Worker can know the status of abnormal event and feedback status of in progress or completed by end judge report. After completing, related people will receive notifications of completed and the event will be disappear on dashboard as well. Above are the visual demonstration of Anden, from call help, job dispatch, report to dashboard. Thank you for participating.